Good morning, my dear children. So far, we have dealt with mean and median, and we have discussed for both grouped as well as for the ungrouped data for mean and median. Next, we have to discuss the third measure of central tendency, that is mode. So here the mode or the model score is a score or scores that occurred most in the distribution. It is classified as unimodal, bimodal, trimodal, or multimodal. That is, according to its nature, we classify the mode into unimodal, bimodal, trimodal, or multimodal. So here unimodal means it's a distribution of scores that consist of only one mode. Then bimodal is a distribution of scores that consist of two modes. And trimodal is a distribution of scores that consist of three modes, or multimodal is a distribution of scores that consist of more than two modes. So children, that is, we know that uni means only one. So if in a particular distribution, only we can see that one value which repeats more number of times, we can say that it is unimodal. Unimodal means only one value repeats number of times. Then bimodal means that is two values in that distribution repeats more number of times. And trimodal means three values repeats more number of times in that distribution. If it is multi means more than two number. If it repeats more number of times, we can call it as multimodal. So this is the manner how we have classified the mode into different types. Here the example is given for that. Here the scores of the 10 students in section A, section B and section C is given. So here the scores of the section A is given here as 25, 24, 24, 20, 20, 20, 16, 12, 10, 7. So here we can see that is here which value repeats number of times, that is the mode value, right? Yes, next we can see the scores of section B. There also different values are there, and the similar scores of the section C also various values are given. So here we can see that which value repeats more number of times, it is taken as the which value? Mode value. The score that appeared most in section A is 20. Hence the mode of section A is 20. But there is only one mode. Therefore score distribution is called as unimodal. Other values also repeats, but here this 20 repeats more number of times and it is only the one value. Only that value 20 repeats more number of times, so that is taken as mode and it is called as unimodal. And in the section B, we can see that 18 and 24. These both values appeared twice. So which we can take? Yes, so that there are two modes in this section B. So hence this distribution is called as what? Yes, it is bimodal distribution. Then the next section we can see that three values repeats 18, 21 and 25. Three values repeats same number of times. So three modes are there for this distribution. So that is known as trimodal or multimodal distribution. So this is the manner how we have to calculate the which mode values. Then mode for the grouped data. So the formula to calculate the mode for the grouped data. So here what is the formula to calculate the mode for the grouped data? It is, yes, LA plus D1 by D1 plus D2 into CI. That means lower boundary of the model class. That is, first we have to calculate the model class. And how to calculate the model class? Model class means it is a category containing the highest frequency. We have to find out in this frequency column which is having the highest frequency, that is the model class. Then from that class we have to find the D1, D2. That means D1 means it is a difference between the frequency of that model class and the frequency above it when the scores are arranged from lowest to highest.